What's up guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to blur the background in Gimp. So let's get right into it. Go to the free select tool and outline your image. And don't stop till you get to the starting point and see the yellow dot. After that, click select and press on invert. Then go to filter, blur, and Gaussian blur. Hold your cursor down and move to the right to increase the background blurriness that you want and click OK. If you want to select more detail in your image, you can zoom in by going to the zoom tool and pressing zoom in and clicking on your image. As you can see, you are able to get closer to your image and select more details, as this was just an example. And that's it, guys. How to blur the background in Gimp. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.